Hello, this song is dedicated to Gotti, who lost his mother and wanted me to sing this song as a tribute to her. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my mother would lift me high and dance with my father and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs she would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with her, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my mother again. Oh, yes. When I and my father would disagree, to get my way I would run from him to her. She'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my father said. Later that night when I was asleep, she left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that she would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with her, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my mother again. Sometimes I listen outside his door, and I hear how my father cried for her. I pray for him even more than me. I pray for him even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only one he loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, he's dying to dance with my mother again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.